Hey, my loves. I just want to say to just first off the video to my new subscribers. For some reason, YouTube stopped sending me emails and notifications to let me know when someone subscribed to my channel. So I really don't know who you are or anything like that. So to all my new subscribers, thank you, and I really appreciate it. And let's get into today's video, you guys. So in today's video, I bought some stuff from Princess Nails by Diana. It was a while ago, and I had this stuff for a while. I just couldn't get to my stuff because I moved my nail area around, so it wasn't like out in the open for me to get to it. I had to get to it from a box. But yeah, she sent me a lot of stuff, you guys. For some reason, I don't know my throat, so I'm not able to talk so much in the video. But she sent me like a lot of stuff, you guys, and I was super excited. I got this back in like May or April. Because she sent me some glitter, you guys. She sent me a lot of stuff, so I was super excited when I got this. I haven't tried this stuff out yet. I need to look at some videos first so I know what I'm doing. And here's apologies, you guys. She sent me a lot of stuff. I was super excited. Okay, you guys, these glitters are so bomb. Let me know which one you guys like the best. And of course, you know I like the blue one. They were so sparkly, you guys, and glittery. Like, they were bomb. Okay, so here's her first polish. This is like the yellow one. This is the spring collection. And I ordered something from the Winterlicious collection as well. Now this one right here, you guys, that's a bomb color. Like, it was so pretty. So pretty. It's like a brown with I forgot the color of the glitter. It's like silver, like a little purple, red. Her colors are very, very pigmented, you guys. You guys will see when I do some swatches. So in the video, I'm just gonna do some swatches and 2 nail designs. Because the first one I didn't really like. I feel like it didn't go together. Okay, you guys, these are 2 coats, and you see they're very pigmented, and they went on very nice and smooth, kind of buttery. So this is my first design, you guys. I didn't know what I was doing. I was trying to do like an ombre effect, you guys. So the brush I used as I'm doing the ombre is I don't know, I probably wouldn't suggest that brush. I'll probably try to get like the actual like ombre brush for gel, because I don't know, if you have it, you could use it. If you have the time to spend, to take extra time just to make it look more blended, then you do you. But I prefer to have the actual thing to, like, you know, make it as flawless as possible. Okay, y'all, I got some tea, so I feel so much better. So it might seem like a lot of gel. I don't know what I was actually doing, but you'll see. I was trying to be very careful to make sure I don't get no gel on the actual hand, because I'm trying to keep my hand clean as possible. Okay, my love, I'm gonna speed up the video for you guys. Okay, I also want to add, when you're doing the ombre effect, make sure each time you go to a different color, you clean your brush, because you don't want the other color to get into the design that you're doing. Okay, so now I wanted to like make a diagonal line or whatever. So I don't know, I was trying to do some kind of like blocking effect, and I'm just using one of these gel brushes I got in a little kit from Amazon. It's like the little things you get for like $9.99. I'll put that in the description box also below if you guys want to know about that as well. Okay, you can see my thumb, I just did a little swirl. Yeah, so right here I decided to do 2 coats just to make the color pop a little bit more. I think I did another coat off camera, you guys, so I think I actually did 3 coats, but I'm gonna show you the finished result, and then I'm gonna show you what I did after, because I lost the nail and then I wanted to change it up. Alright guys, so don't forget to check Princess Bills by Day out, you guys. I'll leave her Instagram and her YouTube below. And also, be sure to check out her polishes and stuff, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to sleep. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.